Hello, and welcome to the Sigen EV DC Charging Module Installation Guide video. Prepare the following installation tools before installation. It's important to select a suitable installation site in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. A proper site selection is important before installing the product. The actual length of the cable should be subtracted from the height of the battery, which is calculated as R equals cable length minus N times 0.292 meters. Then, choose the appropriate position based on your parking location. The length of the gun cable R should be greater than the distance from the SigenStor to the charging port. First, unpack the package. Check whether the items in the package are complete. Then we start by installing a brand new system. First, stack the base and batteries. Install the battery pack, SigenStor EV DC, and inverter in sequence. Thanks to the quick connector, the connection between each modules is very easy and just needs to be totaled up. Install the bottom cascade. Please note that the left cascade is from inside the EV DC package. First, install the number 1 charging cable clamp lower, securing the 3 screws. Then install the number 2 cable jacket and run the EVD charging cable through it. Finally, snap the rubber ring with number 3 charging cable clamp upper and secure it with screws. This way, you finish securing the charging cable. Install the EV DC right side cascade, which will hold the decorative cover in place. Secure the cascade with screws. Install the cascade between the EV DC on the left and the next battery module. This cascade is also from the EV DC package. Then install the rest of the cascade and complete the wiring of the inverter. Please refer to the SigenStor installation video for details. Install the bottom decorative cover. Note that the left side one is from the EV DC package. Then install the other decorative covers. Please note that the cable of the left side light strip should be connected properly. Determine the position of the charging connector holder with the help of a level. Hole drilling, hole depth 55 mm, diameter 8 mm. Drive-in screws to secure the base. Install the charging connector holder and secure it with screws from the top and bottom. Drill holes. Fixing of cable bracket by means of expansion screws. Finally, organize the charging cable and insert it into the charging connector holder. Congratulations on completing the installation. If you have already installed SigenStor, please refer to the following video. Before we start, it's important to power off the SigenStor and switch off all power connections. Remove all decorative covers first. Then remove all cables from the inverter. Remove the cascade between the inverter and the battery. Remove the inverter. Install the Sigen EV DC charging module. Removing the cascade at the bottom left. Then install the inverter module. The inverter is then installed and the remainder of the operation is identical to scenario 1. After the installation, please use the My Sigen app on your phone to complete the commissioning. Log in and create a new plant by scanning the QR code and providing plant and owner details. Afterwards, upgrade the latest software if needed, and confirm the preset parameters. Conduct a one-click full system check to identify any potential issues with the installations. Confirm all settings. Congratulations! You can now charge your electric car. Enjoy your green life.